You guys, welcome back. I want to talk about this. I always see this from you guys, many of you. So I want to talk about it today, especially if you love pastry. So I want to talk about this. So one thing you have to know, if you love all this, like anything snacks, even anything food safe, if you want to try, maybe you see someone making something, you like this, as you like this recipe, this person is preparing. Okay, stop focusing on the measurement of that recipe. Okay, if you want to get it right, I'm just telling you from experience. Okay, stop focusing on the what, on the measurement of that recipe, just based on the ingredient. Okay, if you base on the measurement, it's going to make you, as in, you are going to fail during the trying process. That is just the honest truth. But if you base on focusing on the recipe and try it with your own measurement, you are going to get it right. I see many of your comments, especially from my post. When I drop some recipe, Lady B, give me the measurement of this recipe. Lady B, give me the measurement of this recipe. I may write the measurement of this recipe on the screen. If you want to follow that measurement, you can still copy it and you can use it. But why are you going to those process? Okay, why will you go to that process? All the process supposed to focus is ingredients. And when you are trying your own, use your measurement. Then when you see someone add sugar, with your eye you are going to know this is a little sugar or this is a big sugar. You can know, okay, let me add little sugar on this. Same to baking powder, baking soda. But when you are focusing on getting that measurement, it's going to make you spoil your recipe. So when you're making noise. So if you are trying all these things, focus on someone recipe. If I'm making recipe now, I would like to bring the names of the ingredients I'm using. That is the number one thing you need. Maybe you want to make cake now, just know the ingredient of those things you need to make cake. Just focus on those name of those things that you need to make cake. Then don't focus on that or that person measurement. If you are focusing on that person measurement, it's going to weigh you down. At the same time, you may not get that measurement correct. Because maybe now, so for example, now I'm making bread. Okay, maybe after mixing my dough, I noticed that my dough is not that strong. I add a little bit of flour. Maybe that flour that I already tell you guys, okay, I'm using 3 cup of flour here. But later I see that, okay, this dough is so soft, I want to add extra flour. Maybe that one I did not put it in measurement and I don't even know how many cup it is. Maybe that time I've already think, okay, Lady B use 4 cup, make I go use 4 cup. And that time now your ingredient have already missed. But when you just want to do it on your own, you are going to know the exact quantity of whatever thing you are making, and you are going to know the exact quantity of ingredient you are going to add. Instead of you focusing on another person measurement, just focus on the ingredients. It's going to help you. Okay, stop dropping the comment, I want the measurement of this, I want the measurement of this. It's not going to help you. It may make your recipe to spoil. But when you know the ingredient that is needed, it will help you. Okay, guys, so I think this is going to help one or two person. If you like any recipe, both food, maybe you come across any food, that person is making it and you love it, you want to try it, just pick those things the person is using to make that food. If the person use oil, know that this recipe need oil. If the person use butter, know that this recipe need butter. So that is the kind of thing you have to bring out and then use it to try your own. Don't focus on how many cup of water they add, how many cup of flour they add. No, do your own quantity. That person do, as in that person make your own quantity, then you should go and try your own quantity by using the ingredients. Okay, I hope you understand me, guys. I hope it help one or two person. Bye.